In this video, we'll look at, in cases of a rectification of errors, what do you mean by errors of omission? Now, do you understand the meaning of omission? Omission means omitting to do something, forgetting, not doing something. And therefore, the error of omission are the error where a transaction is either completely or partially omitted from being recorded in the books of accounts. So let's say, for example, and we'll take this, let's say I purchase furniture, okay, for rupees 1,000 in cash. And let's see what would the error of omission completely or partially mean. So when we talk about error of omission, which are completely omitted, these are known as error of complete omission. Okay, and this arises when a transaction is not recorded in the books of accounts, or even if it is so recorded, it is not posted to the ledger. So coming to my example of purchase of furniture in cash, what will be the journal entry for this? The journal entry will be furniture account debited to cash by rupees 1,000. When I talk about that the transaction is not recorded in the books, what I mean is that even the journal entry is not passed. On the other hand, when we talk about B, okay, let me call this as A, in that case, this furniture to cash entry is passed in the journal account, okay, but it is not posted to the ledger. So in the furniture ledger account or in the cash ledger account, in the furniture account, there is no debit of 1,000. In the cash account, there is no credit of 1,000, right? Coming to error of partial omission. When you miss out to record the transaction partially, that is called error of partial omission. Partial means what? Not complete. Part of. Partial comes from the word part, partially. Only a part of transaction is missed, and this would arise insofar as accounting is concerned. This can happen in two forms. And this could be, let's say for example, in the same example, furniture account debit to cash, you either do not recorded completely, right? So you don't record the transaction completely. So let's say if you have furniture to cash, okay, you recorded by rupees 800 instead of 1,000 or maybe 100, okay? Or it could be that you have recorded it completely, right, but it has not been posted completely, which means that you do not transfer. So let's say instead of debiting the furniture account by 1,000, you did it by 800. The debit to the furniture account went by 800 and to cash by 1,000. In this case, the result will be what? Because the debit is 800, the credit is 1,000, so your trial balance may not agree or would not agree, is not equal, right? So that is what error of omissions are. You omit the transaction. It could be omitted completely, it could be omitted partially. When it is complete, it is either not recorded in the books of accounts, or if recorded in the books of accounts, is not posted to the ledger entirely. When we talk about partially, it is either not recorded completely, okay, so you could debit the furniture account, you may not credit the cash account, or you can record it completely, but the posting is not complete. Thank you.